Attention, the following video is going to totally kick ass. If you enjoy any of it and or have a large penis, please click the like button below. Enjoy.
So Speedy, I'm going to tell you the story about sidearms. Now, this dude right here came over to my house the other day, and
God.
you know how I just turned into this character, this girl character? Well, sidearms totally forgot, so he thought I was my sister, and that shit wasn't going to work. So he walks into the door. The dude has been drinking a little bit too much, okay? And he comes up to me and he's like, "Hey, you want to jack me off?" That's the first thing he asked me, dude. And I didn't say anything. I was just like, "Nah, man, nah, I don't want to fucking jack you off." He's like, "Come on, just jack me off." And I'm like, "Nah, man, nah, I ain't gonna do that shit. That's not me, okay?" Then he stares at me in my face and says, "Fuck you." And I'm like, "Wow, me? Oh,
that's
no.
Messed up, man.
When my dad gets home, he's in the military, and he will fuck you up, okay? When he gets home, you can go and jack him off, you know what I'm saying? He'll fuck you up, you know what I'm saying? So I said, okay, I'll reason with you a little bit. I'll go ahead and give you a kiss. And so he was getting a little bit too horny. He started humping my leg like this.
Oh, God.
He was just fucking going at it, okay? And I was like, that shit ain't gonna work, okay? First of all, you can't just start humping girls just like this when you first see them, okay? You gotta start off with like first base.
You gotta wine and dine
him up a little bit. Exactly. He wanted to hit a home run, so I was gonna let him get to third base and let me finger him a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, he's so ugly.
He's gonna put it.
Why would you let him touch you?
He was gonna put it in my butthole, right? So he didn't even know what a pussy feels like. So I was like, whatever. So he starts standing in the corner, crunching his knuckles like this, and I'm like, dude, what the fuck are you gonna do? You gonna like come over there and try to falcon punch my pussy? What the fuck are you doing? So I'm like, I don't have the clap over here. I'm not that loose, alright? So this guy's fucking retarded. I'm just in the corner like, what the fuck is this guy doing? So he starts charging at me with his two thumbs like this, like, hey man, I'm gonna finger the fuck out of you. I'm like, no man, that is not how you do it. And so I give him another, you know, a face palm, you know, I'm just like, oh my god, this guy has no clue. I said, whatever you do, don't run at me with those fucking fingers like this, like, I'm gonna finger the fuck out of you. Yeah, I'm like, I am not loose as fuck, man. He pretends, like I said, like I have the clap or something. I'm this fucking loose, alright? I'm not that loose where you can just run up to a girl and start doing this and get her off, alright? Alright, so I tell him to stay in the fucking corner. Sidearm, stay in the fucking corner, practice a little bit before you come after me, alright? Here's what I want you to do. I want you to get your finger and just fucking pick your nose. That's the best practice you can do of fingering a girl, okay? It feels just like it, alright? So he thinks we fucking gonna have sex and everything. I basically just shake his hand. He thinks we had sex, and then I lay over in bed and I just take a smoke. You know what I'm saying?
Sidearms, I'm disappointed in you, man.
Yeah.
I'm having it.
I don't even want to look at you, Sidearms.
Only half of that
I don't even want to look at you.
Only half of that happened.
Oh, he wanted to fucking bang me. He knows it.
JT's over there clapping for him. This guy is a lost cause.
Well done. I guess it was drink.
Oh, he's so ugly.
God. He's half reptile.
Oh, shit.